I've arrived at the Burke Lake South free camping area in eastern Washington State. Let's go check it out. As you enter the Burke Lake South free camping area, you'll see the sign, South Gate closed due to vandalism. I entered through the North Gate, which is up by Quincy Lake. I did a separate video on Quincy Lake and show you the entrance to this free camping complex administered by the Washington State Department of Fish and Wildlife. It is free camping here at Burke Lake South. You'll need a Washington State Discover Pass to camp here. Let me show you around. At the entrance to the Burke Lake South free camping area, you're going to see an evergreen reservoir to your right and a large parking area. Has a vault toilet, and the gate access to the free camping area is up there by my truck. There is a boat ramp located right here at the reservoir as well. And the vault toilet is serviceable. Let's go back and check out the campsite. About a half a mile north of here is Burke Lake West free camping area. I've done a separate video on Burke Lake West, so you have to check that out as well. As you enter the Burke Lake South free camping area, you're going to come to this Y. This is basically a camping circle. Let's go check it out. So bearing to the right in the camping loop going in as you enter, you'll see you can park RVs right along the side here, and you see campfire rings back in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 that I can see right off the bat. Let me walk back in there and show you a few campsites. So here at Burke Lake South, they actually have a pretty good camping setup here. You know, park your camping configuration just off of the camping loop road right there as you come in. Then you have multiple different walk-in campfire rings, I would say. You could not bring camping configuration back in here because there's you have these rocks scattered throughout here, but there is enough room off to the side of the road there to get your camping configuration. And for example, right here, I could even get my fifth wheel in that spot right there with enough room to run the slides out and not interfere with the road. As you progress down the camping loop, you'll run into another long pullover where you could get a sizable camping configuration in there. Again, I could get my fifth wheel in there, and your camping ring is right off to the left of your screen there. I will say the views from the bluff here at Burke Lake South free camping area are scenic. Take in some of that scenery. It looks like down below here they have a looks like a boat ramp, maybe a vault toilet down there as well. I'll have to go down and check that out for you. And then further around the loop you have multiple different spaces here where you can set up a campsite. Right there where that camper's set up, they have a campfire ring right behind their RV. And down below there does appear to be a vault toilet with handicap parking and a boat ramp. It is marked no camping down in there. You're okay to camp up above here, but not down in the day use area down there. So there's the camping loop we were just at. And if you follow this road up on top of the hill, there's more campsites up here. There's a firing right there. You can pull a camper right off to the side here. There's enough room to wind your slides out. And there's a campsite right on the end there, which is pretty darn sweet. Now, this is too tight for me to maneuver my fifth wheel in, but if you had a smaller camping configuration, this may work for you. And it's perched up on this little bluff here. That's the reservoir. Look at that. That goes down to the Columbia River Valley there. And this is Burke Lake. Pretty darn sweet. And if you wanted to set your camping configuration up right there and camp with that awesome view, you could go down to that huge campfire ring right down in there and have your campfire if you wanted to. In fact, if you were Jeep camping, you could even back your Jeep down in there and set up a tent down there by that big fire ring. Okay. Well, I just talked to the gentleman in that RV. He's got a sweet looking rig there. And he's given me permission to put him on YouTube. So I think I'm gonna leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. I'll also have the grid coordinates for this free camping location in the written video description as well. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.